Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. For the media status, so they ask Mikel Arteta about Granit Xhaka, I guess, because of the rumors where they go and say Bayern Leverkusen they desperate to sign him and saying why trying to push him to go over that place. They ask Arteta what do you feel about the story. So Baba can't debunk the story because they made them leave all those and say initially no one talk anything, but once you people guys understand, they say we want Granit Xhaka to stay because this season has been his best season ever at Arsenal. So why would like making stay to replicate such a thing next season? So maybe they'll leave all those rumors, all those talks. So one thing we're going to be saying we want him to stay. So I think I don't talk. That is why I talk say at the end of the season. Now we will really know what's in the sub. I think I will sit down with all these guys. Let them say, okay, I want you to stay. I want you to stay. Those who know say go follow us, stay, go stay. Those who know say go go. So now so we just be someone just watch how everything will end. Alright, so Thomas Partey himself don't come aside from media setting because they talk about the competition between him with Jorginho. So he kind of the opinion say that competition will improve him immensely and a very very healthy competition because at least you know go allow Partey to get burnout, guy go dey rest well because that's part of the things wey affect this inform. He gets never really recover, he never rest very well and he lose form in the wrong time. So now if say Jorginho can't dey, we thank God for that. So Jorginho no can't dey out for the fair. So we'll just take that one. At the same time, Partey can't talk say for this Arsenal day for this season. So we are very very grateful and we are happy for the things so we don't achieve. So them, the players, with the fans, with the staff, with the coach, say everybody played an integral role for what we have achieved and to take us to where we are now. Okay? So we just look say next season we will perform better than what we do this season, and that is our prayer. So we'll just see how everything will go. I'm a familiar setting, so they ask Joe Willock, say what you call up make a call come out Arsenal because you know say Joe Willock first go out on loan to Newcastle. After he got on loan to Newcastle, then before you know, the guy scored like 8 goals consecutively. Get at 8 or 7, I can't remember. He scored goals, great record there. So at last, Newcastle can later buy him from Arsenal. So back on the talk say, ever since we can find out say he no day for Mikel Arteta plan. So the team pay now say he hurts my feelings, but at the end of the day, he don't get anything when he go talk. So that is why he can't find in square root and everything they work for him. They play for the Newcastle setup. The guy they bring energy and pace gets for their midfield. Even some people they thought say why Arsenal let this guy go. That's why they be. When you see all these young stars like all this guy Rich Nelson, Smith Rowe, a lot of them you get. Not be all of them they end up achieving or realizing their potential. There are exceptions like Serge Gnabry where as a winger let's come out, you go for Bayern Munich where they play very well. Different exceptions. Now you don't see Joe Willock where they play very well. There are also a lot of players who come out who don't do anything. Yeah, so at the end of the day, now because of the power of hindsight, that's how when they analyze this thing. But the time when the person be youngster, when they play very well, you cannot tell that okay in the future now this one will be better out, now this one will be better. That is the main reason why clubs they take risks, go pursue some kind of youngsters. At the end of the day, you can't turn to big star. Some of them, so that's what it just be. So we can't fault the manager. So Joe Willock, Serge Gnabry, and the likes, and those ones we escape. So it just be. Alright, Arteta said don't come and say I can't deny say Zinchenko's season on the over when they ask him for the media setting say how far now when they hear reports get say Zinchenko no go play again for this season the remaining 3 matches, even Saliba self no go play. So Arteta can't debunk him say you can never say never. I guess say there's nothing like that. So more just the watch. Say if anything like that on the sub, now he go let you know get so more just the watch. But for me 3 matches to go. So I believe say they see the access the guys. Maybe the medical department they see the watch him because they say he has a calf problem. Now the calf problem, how long it will take him out? So David Einstein will be the journalist for the Athletic. Now he come outside and break this story. Say the guy will be out for the remaining of the season. That's 3 matches now. Say no go play him. Thank God we get Kylian Tierney. We will deputize. Even though if it will affect our shape moving forward, but at least half loaf of bread is better than nothing. So we just manage Kylian Tierney pending when Zinchenko will come back this season or maybe not next season. At the end of the day, we just the pray so we win all our matches. About Gilberto Silva will be one of the Arsenal legends. Don't come and second the advice Arteta say make them sign Neymar of PSG because Neymar dey unhappy for there. Neymar dey look say he don't reach time when go find in square roots come up for that PSG because a friend Messi don't they go and once Messi don't go in with Mbappe, they don't really be 5 and 6 you get. So if instead saying like to come out because the PSG fans come for a house, when they make trouble, say Messi they come out. So it's concerned with Messi they come out. So for that reason, they call the para. So instead won't leave. So Newcastle said they look for him, say they would like to sign him. Newcastle are making an ambitious bid for Neymar, say they would like to sign him because now they don't deal with Champions League, they don't get the Holy Grail with many players they look for. And if they end up third, you go show say they are forced to be reckoned with in the EPL, so they go fit command some kind top player, the kind of players we were supposed to command. Imagine Newcastle commanding a player like Neymar, so we won't sign Neymar. You know how ambitious a move that is. So that's what I'm talking about. So we submit to the buy some kind men, like you are in the pole position now, finishing second or first. It's a big deal in the EPL. So where the core players of top quality for another league instead will run come, say they join a senior man team. So that's what it just the word. But I don't think this summer transfer is going to be very interesting. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so Joe Felix don't get ready to quit Chelsea this season, but at the same time, the guy say no one quits them, can't go back to La Liga. So one quits them and still stay for the EPL. So clubs like Newcastle, Arsenal, Manchester United, now then the reason the guy matter, even Manchester City, see if he still wants to stay, they would like to sign up. But the problem now be say Atletico Madrid they hold that for 70-80 million pounds. So how many clubs would be ready to shell out this kind of huge fee to sign a Felix? Yes, so everybody know. We all know he's a top player, I guess. Even though Lampard the bench, I don't know, Lampard the bench, the guy came in against Sweden and Bournemouth and people just came in. How many minutes to go? He come boss net, yes. So the guy in quality, na top notch, he did very good. But watch everything at the end will tell us. Our Thomas Frank for the media settlement, they come they ask and say how much him feel say Ivan Toney will cost. Ivan Toney, you get say maybe people won't sign him because they know say once season not end, a lot of clubs will come for him pending this betting scandal. We never know how that one will end. But let's just assume say that one will do. So how much you say this guy will cost? But say, oh no, the guy will cost like 100 million plus. So anybody they really say in like will sign him. 100 million plus now you get, because how much do you think you get a player that will guarantee you 20 plus goals in a season? Because when me at the Arsenal from say how many times this guy has scored 20 plus goals in a season? How many penalties did for those 20 plus goals you get? We make it feel say the guy will cost 100 million pounds. I know that. But the way they inflate figures for this league, it's they shock me. Is it because it's an English player? I don't really know where it's coming from. You get, well, just the watch now. 100 million by Ivan Toney, take God. Thomas Tuchel also can advise in Bayern Munich players say they emulate Arsenal, because when Arsenal they share goals among themselves. Arsenal have like 4 players who don't get double digits in goals this season. They don't get like a prolific number 9. We will say okay, this is the target man, this is number 9. Everybody then get it, they share the goals. The rest is not really they stay for that number 9. They come midfield, they go flanks, they operate everywhere. So they can't share the goals. So they guy get 15 goals, Martinelli 15, and Saka 13. No, they share everything. Xhaka shipping. In short, for the first 11, everybody gave their own contribution. Everybody scored at least 1 goal. So when you check the Bayern Munich setup, this is that they struggle now. That's why Borussia Dortmund they give them a run for their money. Ever since they lose Lewandowski, I know say their quality will drop, because they bring Choupo-Moting. That one don't really add much quality for that number 9 department. They bring in Mane don't really add much. So they are looking at buying a new striker. That's why they offer Vlahovic to Arsenal and Bayern Munich, because these are 2 clubs that are in need of a number 9. So by the talk say they emulate Arsenal. Even if they don't get number 9, at least create chances and spread the goals among yourself. That's going to be the way forward. About the Football Writers Association don't do their voting, so they can't give Erling Haaland the Player of the Season award. So after the votes, Erling Haaland collect like 82% of the votes. So people can collect 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Saka collect 2nd for the voting hierarchy. Odegaard collect 3rd. Then Kevin De Bruyne collect 4th. Then Rashford was the 5th best player of the season according to the Football Writers Association. That's why they talk say if to be say this guy Erling Haaland come for this EPL, Saka, Odegaard, and they're supposed to sweep all these awards, because they've been very phenomenal this season for Arsenal and the EPL. They made the EPL very exciting, but it is what it is. But if Arsenal win the league, I believe say they will get some kind of individual accolades. But if Man City go win and when the Ireland will pack everything there, and this is the first time a player has gotten over 80% of votes cast to get for this kind of competition. So it is what it is. But for even nominating them and putting them 2nd and 3rd, now great thing. It's a big deal. In a league with how many players. So it shows we are really doing something well and I'm going to the right direction. Now for the media setting, so ahead of the match where Arsenal will play on Sunday, so they're going to ask Arteta about players, Arsenal players. So we're going to talk, say, this season, you don't go believe, so we don't get any player we don't reach a peak. Like, we just have players who we say they are still struggling, they are still playing, like we are trying to bring them, to bring out their best potential. Because what Arteta talk, they say, we are still far from where I want us to be. We can still improve immensely. For me personally, apart from like Trossard, I believe Trossard is at his peak. Apart from Trossard, apart from Jorginho, we don't come up for peak. You get the guy just there on the horizon. You get done the day define the later stages. Even Granit Xhaka said, when you are 30, 31, then you can't be peak now. 28, 29, now, 30, 31, 32, you don't fade off. You get, so you are on your way out. You get, you are enjoying your life. It's just all those Modric now. Nobody say Modric dey for peak now. They don't dey on their way out. They will soon fade off now. So it just be. So the major message you take away from what after that talk, they say, we are far ahead of where we are. Say we achieve second, or maybe we achieve first. Now by the grace of God, because our players never reach their full potential. You get, so if they can't reach their full potential, what do you think will happen at Arsenal? That's where phase 4 comes in. So all this when they talk, you get some players who will come in now. They will come uplift the quality who will get here. Before Gabriel Jesus coming, before Zinchenko coming, before Saliba coming, how were we playing? How were we faring? All these guys just enter, the quality of the team just skyrockets. Get, come players no be Arsenal, what we know again. What happened? That's what it just be. So that's why I'm very, very excited about the summer transfer window, because I believe things will happen for the positive. Okay? So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click and subscribe to get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, out.